how much should you actually spend on a cartridge for your Technics 1200? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Audio Origin Titanium Cartridge. The Audio Origin Titanium plated headshell and cartridge caught my eye right away with its solid build quality and attractive price of $69.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 107 reviews, this is worth a serious look if you're after rich, warm sound. What stands out here is the exceptional audio quality it promises, thanks to its pure 5N soft annealed silver Litz cartridge wires. This means you get clean signal transmission and superb sound reproduction, essential for enjoying your vinyl collection fully. The compatibility with several Technics models like the SL1200 and SL1210 makes it a flexible choice. Plus, you can expect impressive low and high-frequency delivery, which is a game changer for audiophiles. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Honestly, this is perfect for you if you want enhanced sound without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler to set up without fuss. But for the price, it delivers great value for those seeking quality sound. Now, if the installation challenges of the Audio Origin bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, Maglite Cartridge and Stylus. Next up is the Maglite Cartridge and Stylus, priced at just $39.99 and boasting a 4.6-star rating from 98 reviews. Right off the bat, this complete package, including a stylish black headshell, is perfect for those who want a straightforward setup. What's cool about this cartridge is its modern design that fits with vintage turntables. It's compatible with multiple Technics models like the SL1200 and SL1210, which makes it a versatile choice for your setup. Now, some users mentioned that the stylus could wear out quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, for the price and performance you're getting, it's still a good deal for most users. If you're not spinning records daily, you should get plenty of use out of it. This is perfect for you if you want good quality without a complicated installation. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end audiophile features or if you play records heavily. For most casual listeners, it provides excellent value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more durable setup. Product number 3, Maglite Titanium Headshell Cartridge. The Maglite Titanium Headshell Cartridge is up next, retailing for $28.99 and holding a respectable 4.4-star rating from 140 reviews. Its affordability and quality make it hard to ignore if you're budget conscious. This cartridge comes with mounting bolts and a stylus protector, which really makes it user-friendly. It's also compatible with a variety of Technics models, which means you won't be left out if you have an older turntable. However, a few reviews mentioned that the sound might lack a bit of depth compared to pricier options. Here's the thing, if you're not an audiophile, you probably won't even notice the difference. It's still a solid choice for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into vinyl and don't want to spend a fortune. Skip this one if you're after the absolute best sound quality, but honestly, for the price, it's a steal. Now, if you're worried about sound depth, the next product might surprise you with its performance. Product number 4, Aerokit Black Headshell Cartridge. Next, we have the Aerokit Black Headshell Cartridge priced at $39.99 with a 4.2-star rating from 25 reviews. This one really caught my attention with its ready-to-plug-in and play feature, making it ideal for anyone who just wants to enjoy music without the hassle. The sound quality is excellent, delivering that warm richness that vinyl is known for. It's compatible with a range of Technics models, which adds to its appeal. On the downside, a few users mentioned that the lightweight design could feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, while it might not have the heft of pricier options, it performs well and is great for casual use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple, effective cartridge that won't make your installation a headache. Skip it if you want something heavier and more robust, but for the price, you get solid performance. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more quality without the high price tag, check out the next one on my list. Product number 5, Mag Cartridge and Stylus. Finally, we have the Mag Cartridge and Stylus, available for $39.89 and rated 4.2 stars from 24 reviews. It's another solid option that promises easy setup and good sound. This cartridge comes complete with fixing bolts and a stylus guard, making it a convenient choice. The warm sound quality is on par with its competitors, ideal for those who appreciate the crispness of vinyl. It's designed for the same Technics models as the others, ensuring broad compatibility. However, some users found the sound to be slightly less vibrant than expected. Here's my perspective. If you're not an audio engineer, you probably won't mind the difference, and it still sounds great for everyday listening. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable and easy to install. Skip this if you're a hardcore audiophile looking for absolute perfection, but it's definitely a value-for-money pick. So, we've covered 5 fantastic cartridges for the Technics 1200, each with something unique to offer. To sum it up, the Audio Origin Titanium cartridge is a great choice for sound quality, while the Maglite options are excellent for budget-conscious buyers. The AeraKit offers ease of use, and the Mag option is reliable as well. Each one has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best and enjoy spinning those records.